We're actually seeing the 10-year Treasury yield edge a little bit lower now. We're down more than 2 basis points. We have just had some details come through from President Trump's budget. Are yields going to move higher from here? And is that going to mean that there's still going to be the resumption of a sell-off in equities?
I think bond yields can move higher from here. First of all, there's having to price in an awful lot of fiscal news that's come. I thought the Republicans were meant to be a party that liked fiscal restraint. That doesn't seem to be what we've been hearing over the last 2 weeks or so. And then, of course, we've got to look ahead till Wednesday's CPI numbers, and that has got the capacity to surprise. It has in the last month or two. It did in January last year. Seasonals can be a factor. Nevertheless, at the end of the day, core inflation, underlying inflation, we're expecting it to remain relatively restrained, and I think a lot of others are. That should limit how high bond yields can eventually go. And the relationship between equities and bonds, of course, is always a complicated one, but I think currently, as long as bonds are going up because growth is strong, then I think equities can also move higher, because it would also suggest that earnings, corporate profits, can go up too. And all the signs are that actually corporate profits could be in for quite a decent 2018. Hence, valuations are a little more attractive, and some people are therefore buying, thinking fundamentals matches rather more than technicals and flows, which dominated last week.